Hey, welcome back to another episode of Lattes and More. This video, what is this? I have two that I'm gonna do. This first one, so if you don't know me, and you don't, most likely, because we've got a diverse platform here. Some of you know me, some of you don't. I'm a paper girl. I'm an old school paper girl. I'm getting better, but I like to save things. I like to write things down. I have journal after journal. I still write out a grocery list on a piece of paper. But I'm also doing some minimizing, not for the new year, but I'll say for the new year, minimizing, going through things. And I came across a couple of old school, I had to like do out the names here, a couple of old school things from 2019. So this one's dated August. I don't know when this one is from, but I just started learning how to trade and I was like soaking up all the energy and all the facts that I could, right? And so I came across something, a tool on TradingView that I forgot about and I don't use, but I'm going to play around with it. So I wanted to show it to you, and I never really hear anybody talk about it. So uh, I'm excited. I'm excited to show you. And this is, if you're a trader, might be something you can add in your toolbox. If not, if you're new, then come along for the ride. Let's go over to TradingView. So look at here. Some of you might know about this, some of you might not. Look at, where's my little annotation tool? I guess I was using pink last time. Look at this. This is a tool that allows you to mirror or flip an image that you capture. So what I did is I caught this long string of candles, this downtrend, and I mirrored it, and then I drew some horizontal lines to see if that was, I call it a bone of contention, to see if that's any support or resistance. And it was pretty cool. It's just another tool in your toolbox, another confluence where you can go, yeah, I was right. So let's get over to this tool. Oh, I don't want to, I just, I just want to, I just want to, okay, phew. So I thought it was gonna like erase all my drawings, and that was just the annotation tool and all of that. So this is called the mirror or flipped image. And you can grab that in your toolbar over here. You can grab this in your toolbar. I'll just start at the top. It is in, so you have your crosshair, 1, 2, 3, fourth one down. Okay, it's where, it's why I didn't recognize it. It's where your long and short position is if you're drawing support and not a ratio, a 2-to-1 ratio. There's something called, and this ghost feed was kind of cool too. I can show that to you. I don't know what forecast is. Like, who checks these out? I don't know. But there's something called a bars pattern. Okay. So if you click on it, it's going to let me go back. Let me go back. Let me find a spot. Well, let me go back even further. Let's go see. So I copied this downtrend and it mirrored it, which it flipped it the other way because it's not a mirror like side by side. It's up and down, like you're measuring the candles. You don't want to like go out. You want to go like, hey, it went way up here. What's that look like on the flip side, on the mirror side? And where can we find some supporting resistance? So this measured it the other side. So like I said, let me move my face first of all. And let me get rid of this because it's taking up room. Okay. So what I did is I captured this and then I just drew a horizontal. Picked up my fibs by accident. No, thank you. So I just drew a horizontal line to see if that happened to be any, I mean, look at this. It doesn't get any clearer. Certainly resistance to the high side. It like kind of, as far as it went up as many pips, it seems like that's what it went down and it got stuck there, right? And I bet you could even measure, wow. I just saw something with you guys. This same length is the same length. It exactly went up as much as it went down. That's pretty cool. But you can see there was also a little bit of resistance here. And then of course we went to, this is gold recently. We went to the high side, right? If you're watching gold at all, again, that line was resistance. It's pretty cool to see. And I believe that we are super high now and we're not even in the same universe. Oh yeah, we're not there yet. But I felt that was really, really, really interesting. So let me show you how to do it. And I wanted to find, I was playing around with a currency pair. So let's go look at a currency pair. This is like in my way. Let me bring this back. And if you hear a bunch of trucks or noise, we're having a pretty good snowstorm here in Nor'easter. Early January, and there's backhoes and plows and everything in the parking lot. So I'm probably the only one who's finding that distracting. Let's go to, I was just here earlier. Let's clear all this because I want to do it with you. I want to do it with you because that's how you're going to learn. Okay. So I just took this high side right here from where I'm like, hey, here's where it started to, I'm on the 4 hour, doesn't really matter, depending where you like to be. But hey, here's where it started to drop, right? Oops. So I have to go over here and grab this tool. And it's actually it's still here. But again, it's the fourth one down. It's where your long and short position are. Bar pattern. Grab that. I'm just going to go from this where it started to drop right here, and you just have to be like over that candle, and you can see there's like a little thin line that kind of is tracing it, following almost like a radar line. And it's going to go down to this lowest hit right here. So it's overlaying the candles right now. Pretty much. So you're going to come down to the gear. You're going to come down to the gear and the settings, and you want to mirror this. I was playing around with mirrored, then flipped, then both. Mirrored is the way to go. Mirrored again is like, if these are your candles going up, it's going to like show you what it looks like on the flip side. And then this is where I was looking for support and resistance. So we're going to click OK, and boom. So it took that and kind of flipped it to the other side. And what I did, spent like an hour like playing around with it this morning instead of doing what I needed to do. And then here I am making a video on it for you. So what I did was I came up here. I wrote down these numbers because I wanted to show you. Pretty much, I'm going to change them to what I had for the settings because then I won't have to like mess around and go, well, it's almost perfect. Like this is what I had. This is what I saw, 3270. I can't guarantee that I grabbed the exact candles. Oh, I did not. Okay. But okay, we're going to leave it like that. And down here, again, I'm going to go to the gear. I must have been off by one candle. I'm going to change that to 32, 22, 22, 30. So we were almost on the mark, but what I wanted to show you, if I was on the mark, oh, where'd that other one go? Oh, that's weird. I must have deleted it. Silly. 30, 32, 70. Okay. So now we have both. So what I'm trying to show you here is that you can see you can see that there was some stuff going on here. There was some bus stop going on here, right at this line of resistance. And hopefully, oh yeah, right here. I mean, look at it all. Look, look, look. Right, where's my arrow? Because you know I love my arrow. This the one? Yeah. So look right here. So this is where the top of the blue mirror image was, right here, right here. This candle that we went through, this candle, this candle, this candle. Like it doesn't this lagging span. It's pretty exciting to see. It's just another form of confluence. Just a way to back up what we've been talking about. I wonder if I can move this. This is where I had it earlier. So I just must have grabbed a different, I must have grabbed, maybe I didn't grab this candle at all because that seemed higher. I probably did not grab this one. I grabbed this one. But I wanted you to see that. And now let's go back to, what was I on before? Gold. Please tell me that this was the one. Was this the one? Oh, yeah. Oh, geez. What happened? What happened? What happened? Let me go all the way. This was the 5th, the 4th and the 5th. And let me go back to the beginning. Is that right? Oh, gosh. I don't know where my chart went. Okay. Well, let's just do another one. let's do it on the fly. Like this is really interesting. This right here. Oh, I just messed it up. This is really interesting. I wonder if it's happening. Yes. Yes, thank you. Maybe I wasn't on the candle. Oh. Okay. We won't cut this out. We'll just keep going. We'll just keep going. Oh, I know what I'm doing wrong. Okay. Okay. I know what I'm doing wrong. I'm grabbing the wrong thing. Oh, what a mess. Let's grab this down to this candle just for yucks. Just for yuckers. Mirror image. So I wonder, this is gold. I wonder if we can catch anything here. Wow. Let's draw us a horizontal line right to the end of that puppy. Pretty much right here. Let's give it a different color because we should. Let's grab another one. Grab this top one. So wow. Look at all those candles sitting right at that bus stop. This wick one here. This might not be perfect. A little off of the quarter. So I'm also like testing to see if this is like a quarter theory mark as well. Man, this candle sat here. This one sat here. This one sat here. I love it. I love how this is just another way. Where's my other line? Where'd she go? Oh, she's way up here. What the heck? What's happening up here? Nothing. Oh, this was that high. Oh, why is it way up here? I really wanted to go to here. Oh, it flipped it. It flipped that low. So I wonder, getting confused with that was a high for sure. We have not been that high. So I'm not surprised, but that does not mean that we will not come for it. That does not mean that this is not a bone of contention. I wonder, I guess I didn't like mark that properly. I would call that quarter theory for my strategy, 0.80, I'm going to call it. So I would play around with this. I'm going to play around with it because it's slightly addicting, to see all this. Just another way. Again, I had fun sitting around playing with it earlier for quite a while. So again, it's the you have your crosshair and then 1, 2, 3, fourth one down. It is called the bars pattern. If you want to see actually what that looks like, oh, you know what I just did? I just grabbed it again. Delete. If you want to see what that looks like when you, so it flipped it, right? It just went the opposite way of all the candles. This one went way down here. This one went way up here. But if you go to mirror, flipped versus mirror, it like flips the whole thing. I didn't really like it that much. It like whoop, it flips it, which is the way that I thought a mirror would be. So this shorter one is over here now, and this longer one is down here. What else do I want to show you? Let's go back to mirror. And you can see it's just going to do the opposite of where those candles were. But let's go back to gold. Was it gold? Oh, I was just showing you. So I got distracted by those tractors out there. Yeah, so you're going to grab it. It's the fourth one down, bars pattern. This was kind of cool. This ghost feed one. Let me come off of it. Did I just come off of it or did I copy it? Oh, I did copy it. All right, hold on. I just get like a blankety blank speed thing. So if you grab this ghost feed, I don't know. Let me just grab these candles right here. Right here to right here. And it just kind of shadows it. Oh, and then every time you tap it, it makes a big. I have to grab the dot. Is that true? Let's grab this. Let's delete that. Yeah, it was harder to use. I can't really explain what I would use it for. See if I can move it. You can move it out, pull it out. I don't know if anyone has any suggestions on how you might use this data. That's great. Oh, that's kind of cool though. I don't know. We'll play around with it. Anyway, I want to show you the mirror flipped options in the bars position tool, and have fun playing around with it. All right, I'll see you in the next video.